Hello, we are back. How's everyone doing today? Let's get in here. And it's fucking hell. I really need to turn off notifications. So you guys don't know. Or maybe just you. Can live in peace then, you know. Doesn't matter to me. No, it does. I know it does. It hurt you. It cut you deep. And you're like, what is life? Where's cows? Did we already buy a bunch of shit here? I don't think we did. By Glitter World. Don't matter me. But yeah, hopefully everyone's having a good day. We'll be doing some Helldivers later on. Oh man, we have like no money. Well, shit. We have blown through everything. I think that's all we really want is a Glitter World. Yeah, you slept since, I don't know. Yeah, you slept a lot today or not? Desperado. The guards, Aurora. We need to get horses. Lori has got a point to spend. Power Leap. Do we want her to have Power Leap? Fire Pokemon? Sure. And then that, and then we got a Shaman coming in here. And so I think I've got confirmation. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to be able to stream, but I believe I will not be, as of right now, until if I can figure out an alternative, I will not be streaming the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, and I believe we'll be back on the 14th, so there's going to be 5 days. But we will see. So you can hide your tears. Do. Let's get. I think Wilted's also a good talker. No. Oliver. Oliver's a good talker. Shake, shake, shake. Wait, where is Div? Oh, she's way up there. I should always look to see where she is before I call her over. Oh no, that's not you. It's Oliver. I don't know what Oliver is doing. So where did they keep coming over here now? Well, we're gonna keep letting our horses. Oh, we can sell a lot of that. Let's buy more Bioferrite. Animal Pulsar. We could buy another thing here. Susceptible, weak immunity. Go Juice Independent. Reduce pain. Maybe I'll keep that. Poor shooting. No, thank you. psychic shot and the sandy lance are always good, and all the gold. So we're at 22, and then we will sell like, can we sell 700? Oh shit, that's all. That's worth a lot. Never mind. 350. Whoops. 350.